And this is what's inside here as of now, and ready to take her apart. This tractor actually has an oil cooler in front of the radiator, so that's neat. So, oh, that's nice, everything is. Well, I took off the hood. I'm actually impressed that this is loose. This is the diesel line from the filter, the diesel filter, the fuel filter. I removed the tank. There are 2 bolts. You loosen them. You loosen these 2. And then you pull the tank backwards. Of course you have to take out these pins. There's a shoe or a U-shaped pin securing it to the radiator. And then you pull the tank backwards. Well, what do you know? The thermostat is completely gone missing. Why? Trying this 14mm. I'm trying this on the nuts for size to see if it fits. And when I do, the first thing I try is on, and it's not a good sign. This motor lacks compression. So what I'm hoping is that the head gasket is simply blown, and that's the reason for it lacking compression. The one fun thing about technology is that you never know when it breaks down. So that was actually the result of my video camera deciding to go on vacation or whatever it did. It actually corrupted every video file I had from the disassembly of the cylinder head. So here are some pictures for you. Enjoy. Just need some care. With patience and grit, he's always prepared. It's semi-serious, but the passion is real. Restoring history, one big wheel at a time. Real old bitty guy, turning boats under the sky. From Norway to the world, he's our innovation guy. Yep. So then they are out. Right. I read somewhere that the piston rings on 25s often were stuck in the piston. and that goes for this one. Well, that's enough for today.